Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about how long does it take to lose 30 pounds. Before I start, please do subscribe for more update. Also, let me know your thought in the comment. In the event that you need to lose additional weight, you share something for all intents and purpose with around 68% of American grown-ups, as indicated by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. It is feasible to shed 30 pounds, however, the speed of weight reduction is variable, contingent upon your objectives and capacity to bear actual work. Making a solid weight reduction plan will assist you with accomplishing your objectives. Auras. Strolling at 3.5 miles per hour consumes 298 calories each hour for a 155-pound individual. Low sway water high-impact exercise consumes 298 calories each hour. Another alternative is to cycle on level surfaces, which yields around 596 calories each hour. Extreme movement. On the off chance that you need to get thinner quicker and can deal with extraordinary movement, energetic action is a decent alternative. Running consumes 596 calories each hour for a 155-pound individual. Increment the power of running and consume 976 calories each hour. Another choice is skating, which consumes 520 calories each hour. Examine a suitable action level with your PCP. Consuming calories. Regardless of whether you choose to shed 30 pounds in 15 weeks or 30 weeks, lessening calories is essential to your prosperity. Pick low-calorie food sources to meet your weight reduction objectives. Zero in on eating food sources that are low in calories and high in volume. For instance, vegetables like carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, and green beans are acceptable alternatives. Organic products that are high in water content, like watermelon, grapes, apples, and oranges are some more alternatives. Eat entire grain food varieties like entire wheat toast, entire wheat pasta, and cereal. Additionally, stock your refrigerator with lean protein sources, like skinless chicken, and low-fat every day, similar to curds and yogurt. Keep calorie consumption over 1. Please do subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss our future videos. Thank you for watching.